Hi, my name is Justin Horvath. I'm the Director of Design and Development with Alight, and today we're going to talk about our guiding principles as well as elements, integrations, and what considerations you need to have when ordering each version. Let's start with Alight elements. When we conceive of a light fixture from the ground up, our first consideration is always the optical platform. From there, we build outward, applying very simple, architecturally timeless shapes. We want the fixture to not necessarily stand on its own, but we want it to complement and support the architecture, not only through optical performance and distribution, but also through its physical presence. Integrations is the second, more personalized way to order product. They use the same shape, size, and optical platform that the Elements line does, but it applies it to architecture in unique ways. The design team is therefore allowed to realize their greatest design aspirations. And where Elements starts the conversation of complementing and supporting the architecture, Integrations takes this to the next level. A couple examples of integration styles that we offer are mullion mounting, span mounting, patterns, and perimeter units. The first, mullion mount, is essentially born from the idea of looking at a curtain wall system and seeing an architectural grid and saying, well, why can't we apply light to that architectural grid? Why can't we allow a mullion itself to become a light fixture? Span mounting is the second style of architectural integration that we like to talk about, and that was conceived from an architectural beam spanning from one wall or one piece of architecture to another wall or another piece of architecture. So the beam essentially becomes a light fixture. Architectural patterns is another integration style. These essentially allow the light to make different shapes, and whether those are only in a wall, only in a ceiling, or going from a ceiling to a wall, we can accommodate those patterns. A special kind of pattern actually is a perimeter integration, which allows a light fixture to essentially create an architectural cove by just employing the light fixture itself. Architectural integration, due to its complexity, really requires a lot of collaboration. Collaboration on behalf of the design team, the procurement team, and also us, the manufacturers. Our offering for this collaboration is our Design Assist team. Everybody on the Design Assist team was formally educated at a high level in architecture and lighting. Lighting includes technical lighting laboratory, lighting design, reflector design, and also the perception of light, the psychology of that. Our Design Assist team works every day on collaboration with all of our customers. And there are really three tools that allow this complexity of collaboration. The first is SOLIDWORKS. SOLIDWORKS is used by our manufacturing engineers to create exactly what the product is going to be, right down to the last nut and bolt. Those models are then used in our submittal process to achieve a very accurate drawing set that allows the customer to review and approve what their intent is, and also for us to then take out to the shop and show exactly what we intend to build. Further benefit that we see to those SOLIDWORKS models is that we're allowed to bring them into our second tool, which is Photopea. Photopea allows our Design Assist team to apply exact materials to each of the components of that model, and ultimately, through ray tracing, realize a very, very accurate representation of the performance of the fixture. That performance analysis not only allows us to review the fixture on its own, but also applied in space. Our third tool, AGI, allows us to apply it in that space. So we're able to build a 3D model of the environment, be that exterior or interior, apply the products in the layout intended, and then run an analysis to see exactly how much light falls on the locations that we care about. To summarize, elements and integrations are the exact same products, but they are differentiated by their complexity. Elements are static lengths, easier to order, quicker to the job site, and they're less expensive. Integrations takes design one step further and allows an even higher level of unification between architecture and light. In either case, our Design Assist team is there to collaborate with you. Whether it's making a curtain wall come alive with a mullion mount product, or applying an element in a very complex way.